Hey everybody, I'm going to be pressing this button because I'm bored. So, here I go. Enter your birthday. You know, I don't really care about my privacy. Your 14th birthday was on Drake.
I wanna know who motherfucker.
You gotta be nice for what to these niggas? I understand. You got 100 bands, you got a baby bands.
I don't know, man. That just doesn't make any sense. I don't understand. I'm gonna press the button again. Hopefully we'll get a... I'm gonna go with scissors. Is this rock, paper, scissors, man? I win. Alright, I'm gonna go with paper this time. Oh, I lost. Alright, I'm a loser. I'm gonna press it again. You're met. I don't care. Oh. Oh, I like that sound. I like that sound a lot, actually. It's like, reminds me of Roblox, man. Kyo Kitten. Oh. Me's very confused, sorry. What? Oh, this is broken, I'm sorry. What's this? Oh, I gotta avoid the dots. I can do this. Oh. Alright, go around here. Oh, we got these dots following me, man. Oh. Okay. Now I just gotta win this game. I don't know, oh my gosh. This is my high score, I think. Over here, around. Getting this free space over here. No dots are touching my dot, man. Look at these big dots. I think they rule the earth. Well, I have to scavenge for food. I'm a good dot, not a big dot, a good dot. Oh, I got work in 10 minutes. I probably should stop playing this. Alright. Look at, I'm so good at this. No dots are touching me. This big black dot. This is America. You might as well give me like the best dot award, you know what I mean? I bet I won't even have to move this dot. See? Look at everything's avoiding me because I'm the alpha dot. The alpha dot. Oh. Alright. That just sucks. I'll press it again. One last time. Totally useless websites. Is my computer on? Oh. H newt. What? I don't know what else all this is. I think this is like all of them. Astro Hamster. It's great. Too loud though. I don't like loud. It's too loud. Bury me with money. Oh, what's this guy?
Marry me with my money.
How? How do I do that? Oh wait, do I drag? What?
Marry me with my money.
I don't... Okay. Yeah, I'm not really good at any games. I'm gonna quit. Like... I gotta go to work.
Marry me with my money.
I don't know how to do that. Alright, I'm out of here. This has been hot.